न्यूज 24 घडामोडी, श्वास चालू घडामोडींचा.
मेहेर स्कूलच्या स्नेहसंमेलनात ऑपरेशन सिंदूरने खळबळ, प्रेक्षक थक्क. इंटरनॅशनल दर्जाकडे वाटचाल, मेहेर स्कूलचा धमाका. मेहेर इंग्लिश स्कूलमध्ये स्नेहसंमेलनाचा भव्य जल्लोष पाहायला मिळाला. खास आकर्षण ठरलेल्या ऑपरेशन सिंदूर या नाटिकेने प्रेक्षकांना अक्षरशः भारावून टाकलं. हिंद सेवा मंडळाच्या एकमेव इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या शाळेची इंटरनॅशनल दर्जाकडे वाटचाल सुरू असल्याचे यावेळी पुन्हा जाणवले. शाळेचे चेअरमन जगदीश झालानी, प्राचार्य अनुरिता झगडे व शिक्षकांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली विविध स्पर्धातील विजेत्यांना पारितोषिकं देण्यात आली. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कलागुणांना वाव देणारे हे स्नेहसंमेलन म्हणजे मुलांसाठी पर्वणीच असल्याचे मानद सचिव संजय जोशी यांनी सांगितले. मान्यवरांच्या उपस्थितीत फुगे सोडून कार्यक्रमाचा शुभारंभ झाला आणि संपूर्ण सोहळा उत्साहात पार पडला. प्रतिनिधी स्वामी गोसावी, न्यूज 24 घडामोडी, अहिल्यानगर.
Pleasant and beautiful evening to all present today. It is indeed a special evening, and your esteemed presence has enhanced its importance. I extend a cordial welcome to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Joshi, General Secretary of Hind Seva Mandal. President, our senior guide, Sri Ajit Seth Bora, Advocate Anandji Fadnis, अशोकजी उपाध्याय, रणजीतजी श्रीगौड, जितेंद्र अग्रवाल, डॉक्टर पारस कोठारी, विठ्ठल उरमुडे सर, आदिनाथ जोशी सर, मुदगल सर, लकडे सर, and Sunil Susre, and Shri Jagdish Salani, Chairman of Meher English School, and all the directors of Hind Seva Mandal, parents, teachers, and my beloved children. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all to the Just Chill 25 prize giving and cultural program ceremony. This year we have kept the theme Just Chill. It means to relax from academic, a day that reflects our journey of learning, growth and achievements. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. I took charge of the school 2 years ago, and since then, with the guidance of Hind Seva Mandal's Board of Director and our Chairman Jagdish Ji Zhalani, and the sincere efforts of our staff, we have achieved several milestones. In the academic year 2024 and 25, 38 students appeared for this SSC exam. And I am proud to announce that our result was 86%. Our topper Anushka Tushar Kapile scored 81%, a proud moment for all of us. Currently, our school has about 350 students, 50 in the pre-primary section, 150 from class 1st to 4th, and 150 from class 5 to 10. Education is your dress rehearsal for a life that is yours to lead. In the last 2 years, we have started several new initiatives, programs related to subjects, regular parent-teacher meetings, counseling for parents and students, Hasya Yoga and exercises, life lessons through stories, and many competitions and workshops. The guidelines given by Hind Seva Mandal, our academic year begins on June 1st and concludes on March 30th with planning and syllabus work done in April. With parents' consent, we begin class 10 in March, allowing students to complete their syllabus early and appear for a full syllabus midterm exam before Diwali. This practice has improved results and confidence among our students. Along with academics, the school conducts robotics and Vedic maths classes. We currently have 15 computers and plan to add 15 more soon as our students show great enthusiasm for technology. We also focus on stress management, environmental awareness, and social responsibility, shaping our students into curious, confident, and caring citizens. The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. We are also ensuring that learning stays enjoyable under the new education policy. Parents are regularly updated on their child's progress, and during assemblies, students are guided on cleanliness, discipline, and equality. We have even introduced colored dress twice a week, which students truly enjoy. Thanks to these efforts, attendance and parent satisfaction have both improved notably. Weak students receive extra help after school, ensuring so no one is left behind. Our school has 30 dedicated female teachers and 7 non-teaching staff whose teamwork has created a disciplined yet joyful atmosphere. We also encourage holistic development through sports, music, drawing, drama, dance, elocution, and meditation. A special initiative we are proud of is the monthly counseling session on topics like a girl child in the modern world. Many girl students have benefited from this, helping them grow with confidence and awareness. Educate a girl and you educate a generation. Dear parents, education is not only about grades, it is about shaping good human beings, instilling curiosity, courage, and compassion. Let us continue to work together to guide our children toward a bright, responsible, and joyful future. Together, we can shape not just better students, but better citizens. आपणा व्यासपीठावरील सर्व मान्यवरांना सांगण्यास आनंद वाटतो की मेहर इंग्लिश स्कूल के बच्चे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे, मेहर इंग्लिश स्कूल के बच्चे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे, हिंद सेवा मंडल के ये हैं, हिंद सेवा मंडल के ये हैं सब सितारे, बुलंदियाँ छू ले आसमान की, बुलंदियाँ छू ले आसमान की, ऐसे इरादे हैं हमारे, ऐसे इरादे हैं हमारे. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बस आपके लिए मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए, कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए, काम ऐसा करो कि पहचान बन जाए. यहाँ शिक्षा तो सभी लेते हैं, यहाँ शिक्षा तो सभी लेते हैं, मगर ऐसी शिक्षा लेते जाओ कि सबके लिए एक मिसाल बन जाए, सबके लिए एक मिसाल बन जाए. थैंक यू ऑल for your constant support and encouragement. Let us celebrate our students' hard work and look forward to another successful year ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Students, good evening. Good evening to our esteemed chief guest, Secretary of Hind Seva Mandal, Shri Sanjay Joshi, and esteemed directors of Hind Seva Mandal, Fadnis sir, Ajit Bora, Ashok Bhau, then Ranjit sir, Paras Kothari, and all dignitaries on the stage, dedicated principal madam, beloved teachers, supportive parents, and the most importantly, our talented and enthusiastic students. It fills my heart with immense pride and joy to stand before you, all on this momentous occasion, just chill, our annual day function. This is not just a function, it is the grand accumulation of a year's hard work, dedication, and shared success within the walls of Meher English School. An institution is the only strong as the community that supports it. And to this evening, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our incredible parents. Thank you. Thank you for your unwavering trust, your encouragement, and your commitment to collaborating with us. You are the first and most vital teacher of your children.
Thank you, sir. Let many things happen in the school to acquaint you all.
To our dynamic principal Anurita Jagde madam and the entire teaching and non-teaching faculty. You are the backbone of this school. Your passion is evident in every class, every lesson, and every young mind you mold. You don't just teach subjects, but you inspire futures. A special thanks to all Hindu Seva Mandal directors for their continuous support to Meher English School. As we reflect on the past year, I am proud to say that Meher English School has not just educated you, but has truly empowered you. We believe that true education goes beyond textbooks and examination scores. This year, we have seen remarkable achievements not just in academics, but also in arts, sports, and community services. My dear students, today's evening is your evening to shine. The performances you are about to witness are a reflection of your dedication, your teamwork, and your vibrant spirit. Being a chairman, my simple message to you: be curious, be courageous, be kind. Be curious, never stop asking why. Ask always questions, how this happens, get a knowledge. Be courageous, don't afraid to fail. Failure is just a lesson. And be kind. Use your knowledge and your strength to lift others up. The world is waiting for your unique contributions. Go out there and make a difference. This evening, let us celebrate this achievement and reaffirm our commitment to the walls that define Meher English School. Thank you once again to everyone for being a part of this incredible journey. I wish all the performers the very best. Let's chill together. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. Let
आजच्या वार्षिक पारितोषिक वितरण समारंभासाठी उपस्थित असलेले आमचे सर्वांचे मार्गदर्शक ॲडव्होकेट आनंदरावजी फडणीस, हिंद सेवा मंडळाचे ज्येष्ठ मार्गदर्शक अजित शेठ बोरा, त्याचप्रमाणे शाळेचे चेअरमन जगदीशभाई झालानी, उपस्थित असलेले डॉक्टर पारसजी कोठारी, उर्मोडे सर, सुसरे सर आणि ह्या शाळेच्या लोकप्रिय प्राचार्य झगडे मॅडम, त्याचप्रमाणे उपस्थित असलेले आमचे श्रीरामपूरहून आलेले अशोकभाऊ उपाध्याय, रणजितभाई श्रीगोड, जितेंद्रजी अग्रवाल, कल्याणजी लकडे सर, मुदगल सर, त्याचप्रमाणे उपस्थित असलेले पांडोळे आणि आदिनाथजी जोशी आणि उपस्थित असलेले सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्र आणि पालक. आज या शाळेच्या कार्यक्रमाला ज्यावेळेस मी इथं आलो, सर्वात पहिल्यांदा जर पाहिलं असेल तर अतिशय ढोलपथकाने अतिशय छान स्वागत केलं आणि खूप आनंदाचं वातावरण होतं की ही इंग्लिश मिडियम, मेहर इंग्लिश मिडियम निश्चितपणे आता एक इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलच्या प्रमाणे पुढं चाललेली आहे. अतिशय छान प्रगती आपल्या शाळेचे शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थ्याच्या निमित्ताने होत आहेत. मला निश्चितपणे सांगायला आनंद होतो की हिंद सेवा मंडळाची असलेली एकमेव इंग्लिश मिडियमची शाळा आता निश्चितपणे एकदम जोरात स्पीड पकडला आहे त्या शाळेने आणि यासाठी सर्व शिक्षकांचं, प्राचार्य झगडे मॅडम यांचं सगळ्यांचं मोठं योगदान आहे. त्याच्याचमुळं ही शाळा अतिशय प्रगतीवर आहेत आणि आपल्याला सगळ्यांना जाणवतं आहे की इतकं मोठं भव्य दिव्य असं गॅदरिंग आज इथं होत आहेत. आणि सगळ्यात आल्याला वर पाहिलं की बॉर्डरसुद्धा लिहिलं आहे आता जल्लोष. अतिशय आनंदाचं वातावरण आहे आणि या कार्यक्रमात आपण सगळ्यांनी खूप मोठा सहभाग घेतलेला आहे. सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी ज्यांनी वर्षभरात वेगवेगळ्या स्पर्धेत भाग घेतला, वेगवेगळ्या स्पर्धेत आनंदाने बक्षिसे मिळवले, त्यांच्यासाठी आज हे स्पीच असतं आणि सगळ्यांना आज कार्यक्रमानिमित्त उत्साह असतो खूप. आणि निश्चितपणे आमचा इथं सत्कार केला त्याबद्दल मी मनापासून आभार मानतो. आणि मला जगदीशभाई तुम्ही कमळ दिलं, पण या कमळाच्या रूपाने मी निश्चित सांगतो की बिहारसारखीच परिस्थिती आपल्या शाळेची आहे. बिहारमध्ये घोषवाक्य पाठ झालं, रफ्तार पकड रहा है बिहार, तसा भी रफ्तार पकड रहा है इंग्लिश जानाले मीडियम तुम्हारी, ऐसा होगा. निश्चितपणे आमच्या सर्वांच्या शुभेच्छा तुमच्या पाठीशी आहेत. ज्या ज्या हिंद सेवा मंडळाकडे जी जी मदत लागेल तुमची आम्हाला सांगा, आम्ही निश्चितपणे आपल्या पाठीशी आहोत. पुण्याच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो आणि माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais, parents who are present here, the enthusiastic principal Jagde madam, teaching non-teaching staff, and friends. In fact, we are aware that this occasion is once in a year. So you children, you are all waiting for the prize distribution, and the cultural activities, cultural programs. So we will not consume much time. Some few things I must mention here. That first of all, Mr. Joshi has just now mentioned that there was a very much warm welcome by your Dhol Pathak, and we were more surprised to hear that the people who were playing the dhol are students of this Meher English School itself. That is very creditable thing, and as Mr. Joshi has referred to, we are very glad that Meher English School is improving day by day under the able guidance of Jagde Madam. The only thing what I personally feel every time, that Hindu Seva Mandal need to make big place available for the Hindu Seva Mandal for the Meher English School, and we are always trying for that. So hope that next year the Meher English School will be in the new place. It is, and we are very much trying for that. I again congratulate all of you for participating in the events, and also for the prizes you may have won, and also wish you all the good luck. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
थँक्यू सर.
अशाच बातम्यांचा आढावा घेण्यासाठी आजच आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बातमी आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि इतरांपर्यंत शेअर करा.